Okay, so I got something in the mail the other day that I'm going to show you guys, and that is this. Yes, this. It is a PS5 controller, but not just any PS5 controller. It is the Midnight Black Sony PlayStation DualSense for PS5. Okay, so let's actually open this and see what is up, shall we? Okay, I am eventually, if this, going to find a good way to open stuff. Okay, guys. I didn't struggle with the box for like whole minute and then realized that there was another box to open here. Yeah, because see, I've actually never opened a PlayStation controller outside of, coming from the PlayStation itself. The controller that comes with the PlayStation. So here we go with this, and the controller is here. Let's see what it feels like. Let's see what it is like. Okay. We got that. Honestly? Huh. Not bad so far. Not bad at all. I mean, the buttons have that new feeling. I may have to break them in. But wait, let me see. Okay, hold on. Let me get my old controller real quick. Okay. My old controller, or my current controller, whatever you want to call it, right here. I'm going to see something. I guess the buttons feel about the same. Everything feels about the same, except for this. This has more of a grip on it, per se, and this has more of a kind of slide finish, if you will. So, yeah, I get the difference there. And I believe what all that came in the box, because if I recall, PlayStation controllers don't actually come with a charging cable. Those are usually sold separately. But luckily, I still have, from my current PS5 controller, or other current PS5 controller, my old PS5 controller. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, let's take a look at both of them, sort of side by side, if you will, type thing. Okay, side by side, here they are. For size-wise, they are the same, but as far as material, they seem to be slightly different material. Am I going crazy? Someone let me know, comment section below. But this feels like a bit more glossy and slippery. And then this feels like a bit more of a matte, grippy type finish. And these seem a bit quieter as well. It could be just because I haven't broke them in yet. That's definitely keep that in mind. I could be entirely wrong about that. But yeah, that your unboxing, there is also the comparison. I don't know if you guys are liking this channel or not, but I do actually enjoy unboxing stuff for you guys, and maybe a small comparison between new versions and old versions and what I think and whatnot. So stay tuned for more in the future. And with that said, I will catch you guys in said future. Later.